guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe video to share today, and I would like to say the following dish is a fusion between Hungarian and Indonesian food because this following dish is basing on fozelek, which is normally vegetable stew or bean stew from Hungary, but I added Indonesian style meatballs, so it's a fusion between Hungarian and Indonesian. The end result still stew, but with added protein. I'll see you soon again. Bye. Sliced baby carrots, about maybe 15 of them to 20 of them, and also cube dice slice quarter of 6 baby potatoes. So give a quick rinse and add just enough water to cover them, and we're gonna bring this to boil. But also we're gonna add some slices of garlic and a small slice of onion. So just half of a small onion and 4 garlic slices sliced. Now we're gonna boil this until the veggies are tender. Once carrot and cucumber are softened or tender, add in 800 milliliter or 2 cans of green beans, rinsed first. Some Indonesian beef balls here, so slice them, maybe about 20 pieces. So just add them into the pot and we bring the soup back to boil. And if it's needed, if need be, you can add more water so that the green beans and the meatballs are covered in water. And add flavoring. This is 1 veggie cube and 1 chicken cube. You can use beef cubes or whatever you have at home. Chicken cube or all chicken cubes, all chicken beef cubes, all veggie cubes, just to flavor it. Or you can use any other flavoring that you like salt, pepper, a little sugar, or Vegeta powder. Now for the thickening, you can make roux or martage, it's up to you, but I'm lazy today. So this is only a half cup of flour with 1 heaping teaspoon of paprika powder and enough water. We're gonna pour this into the pot to make it somewhat thickened, and then when we serve it, we're gonna have some serve it with a dollop of sour cream. So just quickly pour and stir and bring back to boil for 5 minutes. Now your fozelek is done with tomato buns.